how you can start a Twitch stream on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, let me get back first, and you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. And now if you want to start a Twitch stream, then you can see there is plus icon at the bottom of this home page. So just tap on that plus icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is two options in here. So first one is for a game, and another one is live. So if you want to start streaming games, then just tap on the stream games, and you need to select the game you prefer, and afterwards tap on the next, and finally you will be able to start streaming on Twitch successfully for gaming. After settings, and let me get back, and if you want to stream live, then simply tap on the stream IRL, and afterward you need to enable your microphone and camera, and you will be start streaming on Twitch successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to start a Twitch stream on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.